What's up guys, welcome back to GILL'S Garage. Today we're going to be replacing all the wiring on a 1953 F100. No one likes doing wiring. I already know it's going to be a huge headache. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead and hop right into this and see what it's going to take to get this wiring working the way it's supposed to. As you can see, the engine's already been completely rebuilt, but all this wiring is just looking terrible. I mean, you can't be riding around like that. That's not show truck quality. We're probably going to leave the patina on it, but the headlights aren't working, the tail lights aren't working, the gauge lights aren't working, and that's just not going to be too fun to drive at night. So let's go ahead and start pulling the old stuff out and putting the new stuff in. Alright guys, I finally got all the wiring laid out. Thankfully, every individual wire is actually labeled, so American Auto Wire makes it super easy to follow. You just look at the instructions, start from the cab, work your way to the headlights and the engine compartment, and then go over to the taillights, and everything just lays out perfectly. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and actually start putting this stuff on the truck and getting this thing looking the way it's supposed to. Alright guys, another thing that makes American Auto Wire so great is that their wiring diagrams, like I said multiple times, are just so easy to follow. You can see right here where it says, as viewed looking into the open end of the connector assembly, it shows that the green is going to be on the right side and yellow is going to be on the left side. So if you're looking into the opened end of the assembly, like you are here, you're going to take the green wire, you're going to throw it into the right side, and it just clicks right in there. You can hear it click, and then you're going to take the yellow and throw it right into the left side, slides straight in and clicks. And boom, that's all you got to do. Alright guys, sadly I lost some footage whenever I was putting the new alternator on. I went ahead and converted it to a 12 volt negative ground system. It was originally a 6 volt positive ground, and those systems just suck, and the wiring harness was designed for a 12 volt system anyways. So I'm going to go ahead and get these front blinker lights finished up, and I'll show you guys what I'm going to do with those. The original lights were just shot, so I'm converting it to an LED system, and it's going to be pretty cool. Alright guys, after getting that new distributor installed, we finally got this whole truck running. Apparently that's all we needed, because I was able to switch out essentially every single piece of electronics over to a 12 volt system, but the distributor was the last thing. So the original distributor I ended up burning out the points on, so we put this new one in and it's running perfect. And this is one quiet engine. Alright guys, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully that was somewhat in-depth on how to install a new wiring harness on these trucks. If you have any questions, just shoot something down in the comments and I'll make sure to comment back on it. Go ahead and give this video a like and make sure to subscribe if you guys want to watch more content like this. Have a wonderful day.